यह कब शुरू होता है? When does it start? When does it start? आज तुम इतने लेट क्यों हो? Why are you so late today? Why are you so late today? तुम कब पढ़ाई करते हो? When do you study? When do you study? तुम्हारा बर्थडे कब है? When is your birthday? When is your birthday? जब कभी तुम्हारे पास समय हो मुझे मैसेज करना। Whenever you have time, message me. Whenever you have time, message me. तुम कब सोए? When did you sleep? When did you sleep? तुमने फ़ोन कब चेंज किया? When did you change your phone? When did you change your phone? तुम वापस कब आ रहे हो? When are you coming back? When are you coming back? तुम्हारी छुट्टियाँ कैसी रहीं? How were your holidays? How were your holidays? आज का शो कैसा था? How was today's show? How was today's show? वो कैसे जाता है? How does he go? How does he go? आप वहाँ अक्सर कब कब जाते हो? How often do you go there? How often do you go there? वो कितनी बार मुझसे मिलेगा? How many times will he meet me? How many times will he meet me? मैं जानता हूँ आप कहाँ रहते हो? I know where you live. I know where you live. आप कितनी दूर जा सकते हो? How far can you go? How far can you go? बच्चे मुझे पढ़ने नहीं देते। Children don't let me study. Children don't let me study. उसे जाने क्यों नहीं दिया तुमने? Why did you not let him go? Why did you not let him go? मैं पढ़ने नहीं दूँगा। I will not let study. I will not let study. मैं तुम्हें पढ़ने नहीं दूँगा। I will not let you study. I will not let you study. मैं उसे मेरे घर आने दूँगा। I will let him come my home. I will let him come my home. मैं किसी को भी पढ़ने नहीं दूँगा। I will not let anyone study. I will not let anyone study. मैं हर किसी को पढ़ने दूँगा। I will let everyone study. I will let everyone study. तुमने मुझे खाने नहीं दिया। You didn't let me eat. You didn't let me eat. मम्मी मुझे टीवी नहीं देखने देती। Mom doesn't let me watch the TV. Mom doesn't let me watch the TV. वो हमें घर में नहीं घुसने देगा। He will not let us enter the house. He will not let us enter the house. मैं तुम्हें पेन से लिखने नहीं दे सकता. I can't let you write with a pen. I can't let you write with a pen. मैं तुम्हें ये नहीं करने दूंगा. I will not let you do this. I will not let you do this. मेरा अकेलापन मुझे जीने नहीं देगा. My loneliness won't let me live. My loneliness won't let me live. उसने मुझे कार नहीं चलाने दी. He didn't let me drive the car. He didn't let me drive the car. क्या तुमने उसे बैठने दिया? Did you let him sit? Did you let him sit? उसने मुझे पानी नहीं पीने दिया. He didn't let me drink water. He didn't let me drink water. उसने मुझे मोबाइल नहीं खरीदने दिया. He didn't let me purchase the mobile. He didn't let me purchase the mobile. उसने मुझे बाइक नहीं चलाने दी. He didn't let me ride the bike. He didn't let me ride the bike. मैं तुम्हारे दुख को बढ़ने नहीं दूंगा. I'll not let your pain grow. I'll not let your pain grow. हम कभी कभी उसे खेलने देते थे. We used to let him play sometimes. We used to let him play sometimes. उस लड़के ने मुझे वहाँ खेलने नहीं दिया. That boy didn't let me play there. That boy didn't let me play there. उसने मुझे कुछ नहीं करने दिया. He didn't let me do anything. He didn't let me do anything. माँ ने बच्चे को पीटने नहीं दिया. Mom didn't let the child beaten. Mom didn't let the child beaten.